Hey, I am Lynn Huber, and I want to welcome you to What's Hot in Campaign 12 with Avon. So Avon is, we're coming into the summer season, and you know what we get in the summer and the spring? Bugs. So Avon has our Bug Guard. That's the hot thing right now. I mean, summer fun is more fun than ever with Bug Guard because our DEET-FREE repellents protect your entire family without chemicals that feel harsh on your skin. Bug Guard repels deer ticks that may carry and transmit Lyme disease, and it protects against mosquitoes that may carry the Zika virus. So we've got you covered all around. So we have our all-in-one protection from sun and bugs. This is our Bug Guard Plus IR 3535 Expedition. It comes in a pump spray, it comes in a regular aerosol spray, and it has a little travel size. This is good for all the time, for everyone, and it comes with sun protection as well, SPF 30. Then we go into our, for dusk and dawn, when bugs are most active, we have our picaridin, which is, we have a wipe, which is really handy to have. You can just, like, they're individually packaged and you just carry them with you, and whenever you just pull them out whenever you need them. We have pump spray, aerosol sprays, and a little travel size. This is perfect for dusk and dawn, you know, when the bugs are coming out, but the sun's not out. So there's no sunscreen in this one. And we have our water resistant. We have the Bug Guard Plus with SPF 30. It comes in our regular lotion. And we have one that is our Cool and Fabulous Disappearing Lotion for kids. I mean, it's really for anybody. It goes on blue. So you rub it on, it goes on blue. And so you can see that you're covered every area, and then it dries clear. So great products. I'm sure you're all familiar with Bug Guard already. So I want to now go into some of our newest items because I have so many things to talk about. I'm going to mostly just hit the new items today in an effort to kind of keep this a little bit short so it doesn't go so long. So you may or may not know we are now carrying Belif. Belif is a true herbal collection. This is from Korea. It's the hottest selling product in Ulta right now, and we have it now at Avon. So Belif combines the time-trusted apothecary herbal traditions with modern Korean science. It's 150 years ago, Duncan Napier, a baker in Scotland, found that the natural herbs could treat his cough. And so he went on to study botany and became a world-renowned medical herbalist with his own shop. So he created his own original formula. That's what our Belif products are based on. So it's a formula that he has in all of the Belif products, which include oat seed for moisturizing and soothing, cannel and calendula as a sebum control, catnip flowering tops for soothing, raspberry leaf increases elasticity, wild indigo for antioxidant, and chickweed, which is antioxidant. So that is what's called Napier's original formula, and you'll find it in all of our Belif products. So we have the True Cream Aqua Bomb, which is a lotion. I mean, it's for your face. This is a kind of a gel. It's actually feels amazing on your face. I use it every day. But it's a gel that you can put on. It increases your hydration by 70%. And we also have the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, which is a cream. It's a really light cream, and that gives you 26 hours of intense hydration. I can't even talk. So these two products, they're new, but only for a couple of campaigns now. But what I want to show you is we have some new products coming out based on the same Napier's original formula. We have brand new, the Belif Jelly Cleanser. So this is 97% of women felt that it was gentle while cleansing for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture. Jelly to foam, explosive hydration like True Cream Aqua Bomb. Amino acids and glycerin-based cleansing agents gently remove makeup without stripping skin and moisture. So I have that right here. This is a good size bottle. This is how many ounces is it? 5.4 ounces, but it's pretty good size. And so this comes out like a gel, and then it foams when you put it on your face. And we have our moisturizing eye balm, which is just down here. You can see it down here. our moisturizing eye balm, which is this one. And this one is 26 hours of moisture around your eye area for dryness, loss of elasticity, and firmness. This lightweight, refreshing eye cream cools on contact and helps keep eye area firm, resilient, and smooth for crease-free makeup application. So this one, it has these really cool, I love what they're doing with these, is now these really cool things that just, you can just like lift the top right off. It has a little thing to hold the handle on. And let me put that somewhere. Okay, and it smells really nice, but this is just a really light, it's almost it's a cream. It's a cream, but it's really light and it goes on. Oh, amazing. It feels really good. So that, and these belif products, they have like a cap that looks like a little top hat. Isn't that cute? So that is our belif eye cream. And then we have another one. This is really exciting. Check this out. This is our Ready, Set, Bombs Away Bestsellers on the Go Travel Kit. I have it right here. Check that out. Isn't that cute? So you have a little trial size of the True Cream Aqua Balm. You have a trial size of the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So you have both of the face creams. You have the Moisturizing Eye Balm and the Jelly Cleanser, trial size. These are TSA friendly. They come in this cute little pouch. And this is just adorable. So we open this up and, oh, it's got a plastic in it. But okay, I'm not gonna try to do this on video because it's got a plastic in it to keep it kind of stiff. But anyway, check that out. Isn't that cute? It's just adorable, actually. Love that. Then we have more of our VDL products. This is Avon by the Face Shop. We have our Lip Balm Reimagined VDL Expert Color Lip Cube Matte Glow. This is right here. These are the, and check this out. This is square. This is like square. And it comes out and it twists out and it's square. See that? So this one is mint. And it is clear. It goes on clear and it's mint. And 80% moisturizing and instantly conditions and adds long-lasting shine. Enhances lips with natural rosy color. This one is clear, like I said. There is also a rose. There's a couple of different colors, as you can see. And unique cube-shaped angled design with two-tone marble layers provides precise application. So that's our VDL Expert Color Lip Cube Marble Glow Lip Balm. And then we have our triple score for lips. We have our VDL Tint Bar Triple Shot. Check that out. That's this one. And this one says, all-in-one lip primer, balm, and tint. Tri-color design creates a multi-hued layer of shiny, sheer, delicate color for softer, fuller-looking lips with moisturizing royal jelly and nourishing ester oil. Soft, glowy, glossy finish. I have that one right here. It's kind of a see-through cap, so it's all plastic, kind of a see-through. And I don't know if you can see on here, but it's actually 3 colors. You get close. Can you see the colors that blend in? There you go. So this is pretty cool. And it's kind of really cute. It's clear thing. And so that is called, it comes in triple red, triple pink, and triple peach. VDL Tint Bar Triple Shot. That's $18, by the way. So then I'm going to skip through. We have, of course, all of our skincare, all of our beauty products that we've always had. But like I said, I'm just going to try to hit the new products because I have so much to show you today. This is our brand new Faraway Amalfi. This is travel to sunny Italy and take a stroll through quaint coastal towns. This solar citrus floral transports you with notes of Italian bergamot and orange flower, highlighted with coastal tuberose. So isn't that beautiful? It has this beautiful blue bottle. It's got a translucent cap. And oh, it smells amazing. It's kind of a exotic fragrance, but oh, It smells good. Actually, it really smells good. This one is going in my bathroom. So this is the Italian Coast, A Kiss of Italian Coast, limited edition, Far Away Amalfi Eau de Parfum. So this is $15.99 on sale in this book, regular $25, so it's a great deal. And you know, we're all stuck at home right now with this whole coronavirus thing. So let's just travel away to paradise in our imagination, right? In our home. Okay. I also want to let you know that the boot is back. The black suede boot decanter is back for a limited time due to popular demand, only $20. So if you were looking for that. And then we have this beautiful jewelry. Check this out. Look, we have the sparkling pink statement necklace and earring set, and we have a bracelet, a ring, and a watch. Right here, we have our pop of purple halo necklace and earring set. Aren't those pretty? The necklace and earrings. We have a bracelet here and a ring, and then we have some amazing. I am so excited about these. Our new Clean Team products. Check these out. We have the multi-purpose cleaner. Homestar multi-purpose cleaner has an orange scent, bleach-free, triple action power cleaner for the kitchen and beyond, quickly and easily removes tough, greasy, grimy messes, and with citric acid, orange oil, and baking soda to remove stubborn water stains. Natural citrus scent for use on non-porous surfaces only. Pretty cool, huh? That is $6.99. And then we have our Homestar Rangehood Kitchen Degreaser, which is super strength formula with double solvent solution blend for hard to remove grease stains on range hoods, stovetops, burner grates, barbecue grills, sinks, and more. You spray it on, it foams on, you leave it on for a little while, then simply rinse, and it comes right off. So this is amazing. And this is only $9.99, our Rangehood Kitchen Degreaser. And then check this out. I am so excited by this. This is our Fiji Fresh Sheet Detergent. So in here, this is $12.99, and it comes with 30 sheets. It comes with 2 packages like this. So there's 2 packages, and when you open it up, what's inside is sheets. So there's 15 sheets in each packet. These are just sheets. I mean, you can tear it in half if you want to do a small load, or use one for a full load, and you just drop it in. You just drop it into your washing machine. Now, if you have a stain or something on you, you can tear off like a piece of this. You can, I don't know if you can see that this side has little blue dots. This side is the part with the enzymes and everything that cleans. So if you tear off a little piece, and then you just you wet it, and then you put it on your fabric with the dot side down on the fabric, and set it there for 10-15 minutes. It will take your stain away, and then just throw it in the washer. So these sheets, they're so easy to use. You just throw them in the washer. I mean, if you have to go to the laundromat, how much easier is it to carry one of these? You know, you can even just carry a couple of sheets with you instead of having to carry the whole big thing, right? So this is our Fiji Fresh Power Enzymes for removing stains, sheet detergent. Like I said, 30 sheets. Amazing. I'm really excited by this, and it smells really good. It smells really, really good. And then we have this Fiji fabric freshener. This is 48 hours of peachy, rose, and freesia scent. Works on even the hardest of odors, including sweat, with deodorizing green tea, persimmon, and retinospora tree extracts. Leaves no residue. Not for use on leather, suede, or fur. So this is our fabric softener. Fabric freshener, and this just comes off, and it's just a spray. You just spray it on the fabric, and again, this smells really nice. And this will take any scent out of your fabric. If you have, BO or whatever in your fabric, this will take care of that. And this is $4.99. So this is our Fiji Fresh. I'm so excited by this whole line, the Clean Team line. Pretty cool, huh? And then we can't forget our A-Box. Only $10. You can qualify to buy this for only $10 with any $40 purchase. This one is a $34 value. This is our A-list a box. For you, only the best, a sweet sampling of our best skincare, fierce fragrance, and makeup must-haves that will be on your gotta-have list. So it has a Crave lip gloss in Citrus Sangria, has a True Color Love It First Lash Mascara in Blackest Black. That's a trial size. Love that mascara. I use it every day. A new Hydrofusion Gel Cream. That's the Hydrofusion we talked about. Or no, that's the Hydrofusion Gel Cream. Love that one too. And then the Live Out Loud Eau de Parfum Travel Spray. So only $10 with any $40 purchase. And on the back, we have our deodorants on sale for $2.69. These are the bonus size deodorants for $2.69. So that's what we have in campaign 12. So excited to share this with you. Thanks for being here with me today. Hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.